Message to engineers, something to think about. Is the amount of carbon and iron on Earth finite? Is it been created or is it finite? I say it's finite. So think about the center of the planet and imagine that it's carbon and iron in motion. And what you're seeing is the two arrangements of perlite in motion. So if you think about reinforced steel and you see perlite as the two arrangements of carbon and iron that are possible, and see them as laminar layers and turbulent layers, that's you've frozen the motion of the center of the planet in reinforced steel. So go back to the planet, see it in motion, and go, momentum and heat. I'm seeing heat difference and motion. The planet is hotter, has regions of heat, and I see movement, momentum, K. Now, go back to your reinforced steel. What you've done is you've taken carbon and iron from the center of the planet, putting it through a whole lot of processes, and turned it back into what it was in the first place. Carbon and iron in motion, when you're about to quench that steel. So you've gone through the austenitic processes, and you've got this austenitic solid solution in a reinforced bar, and that is you've taken some of the center of the planet and replicated it on the outside and put a shell on it, and now you quench it, bang, and it freezes because you've tapped it back to beyond where it should be, into the 0 point energy. So you've connected it to zero temperature, so bang, it freezes. And so how much of the planet, which should be on the inside in motion, can you extract and put on the outside and then freeze it? What effect does that have in terms of the momentum of the planet itself? Looking at Leve's work and the intermediate axis theorem, I know that the z-axis is a unique construction of forces that maintains all the stability, and it's in the center of the planet. So there's the experiment that's required. There's some work to be done. You could work that out. There's mass energy. You've taken mass energy and you've turned it into mass. Just weight. The dead weight in this case. This is how far we've come, my friends, in terms of the paradigm of physics. Physics is finished. Finished. Engineering is everything. So if you're an engineer, be an engineer. Stop taking instruction. Think. How does this really work? What's really happening? Because this smells like bullshit. Enough of the mysterious invisible substances, dark matter. Just dismiss it and go, what's the alternative? Z-axis. Intermediate axis theorem, freezing the planet, iron on the outside, yep, all making sense. Fuck me, we're in trouble. What have we got to do? So the pirates are on the bridge. We're hiding out. Ready. The new paradigm of engineering. Nature's laws. Have a think.